Join me as I dive into the world of mind-blowing car tech and challenge myself to find the craziest features you never knew existed. Welcome to the fascinating world of car technology, where innovation is constantly pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. From advanced safety features to futuristic convenience systems, the modern car has become a marvel of engineering, with some features so surprising, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Many of us think we know what car technology is all about: GPS navigation, rear-view cameras, and maybe even semi-autonomous driving. But the truth is, there's so much more to it than that. Most people are unaware of the groundbreaking features that are transforming the driving experience, and it's not because they're not interested, but because they simply don't know they exist. We often assume that the latest car tech is only available in high-end models, or that it's all about speed and performance. But the reality is that car manufacturers are working tirelessly to make our lives easier, safer, and more enjoyable on the road. Take, for instance, the humble keyless entry system. It's not just about convenience, it's about eliminating the risk of theft and improving overall security. We often focus on the flashy, attention-grabbing features, but it's the subtle innovations that are truly changing the game. Take, for instance, the advanced noise cancellation systems that are becoming increasingly common in modern cars. They're not just about reducing noise, they're about creating a more comfortable, more enjoyable driving experience. Today, we're going to explore some of the most mind-blowing car technologies that are redefining the way we drive. From advanced safety features that can detect potential accidents before they happen, to futuristic convenience systems that can anticipate your every need, we're going to take a closer look at the innovations that are shaping the future of driving. Let's start with one of the most impressive safety features to date: the Advanced Driver Monitoring System. This cutting-edge tech uses cameras and sensors to monitor a driver's attention, fatigue, and even their emotions, providing real-time feedback to help prevent accidents. But that's not all. It can even detect potential medical emergencies, such as a heart attack, and alert emergency services. Next up, we have the advanced augmented reality displays that are revolutionizing the way we interact with our cars. Imagine having critical information, such as navigation and safety alerts, projected directly onto your windshield, allowing you to keep your eyes on the road and your hands on the wheel. It's an innovation that's not only convenient but also life-saving. But what about the tech that's lurking under the surface, waiting to be discovered? Take, for instance, the advanced biometric sensors that can detect a driver's vital signs, such as heart rate and blood pressure, and adjust the car's settings accordingly. It's an innovation that's not only futuristic but also has the potential to save lives. And then there's the mind-blowing tech that takes the cake: the Advanced Predictive Maintenance System. This game-changing innovation uses artificial intelligence to monitor a car's performance, detecting potential issues before they occur and scheduling maintenance accordingly. It's an innovation that's not only convenient but also has the potential to save us thousands of dollars in repair costs. But out of all the mind-blowing car tech features out there, there's one that stands out above the rest: the Advanced Emotional Intelligence System. This revolutionary tech uses AI-powered sensors to detect a driver's emotions, providing real-time feedback to help manage stress, anxiety, and even road rage. It's an innovation that's not only groundbreaking but also has the potential to change the way we interact with our cars forever. As we've seen today, car technology is constantly evolving, and innovations are emerging that are changing the game. From advanced safety features to futuristic convenience systems, the modern car is becoming increasingly sophisticated, and it's an exciting time to be a part of it. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of mind-blowing car tech. If you've got a favorite car tech feature that you think I should know about, let me know in the comments below. And if you're ready to dive deeper into the world of automotive innovations, be sure to check out our next video.